The U.S. Global Jets ETF, Jets, is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the performance of the U.S. global airline industry. It is designed to provide investors with a convenient way to gain exposure to this sector, which has historically been a significant contributor to the global economy. Jets was launched in April 2016 by U.S. Global Investors, a leading asset management firm that specializes in offering a range of investment products and services to both retail and institutional investors. The fund is managed by a team of experienced investment professionals who use a combination of fundamental and technical analysis to identify and select the best opportunities within the airline industry. Jets is a passively managed fund that tracks the performance of the U.S. Global Airlines Index, which is a benchmark index that comprises a diversified portfolio of U.S. and international airline companies. The index is weighted by market capitalization, meaning that the larger and more established companies in the sector have a greater influence on the overall performance of the fund. The fund has a diverse portfolio of holdings, with more than 40 different airline companies represented. This includes major U.S. carriers such as Delta Air Lines, American Airlines, and Southwest Airlines, as well as international airlines such as Lufthansa, Emirates, and Qantas. The fund also has exposure to aerospace and defense companies, as well as airport operators and other companies that are related to the airline industry. One of the key advantages of investing in Jets is the broad diversification it provides. By holding a large number of different airline companies, the fund is able to mitigate the impact of any single company or event on the overall performance of the portfolio. This can help to reduce risk and volatility, making it an attractive option for investors who are looking to add some stability to their portfolio. Another benefit of Jets is its low expense ratio, which is a measure of the annual operating costs of the fund. At just 0.60%, Jets has one of the lowest expense ratios among ETFs in the airline sector, which means that investors can keep more of their returns. Despite the many benefits of Jets, it is important to keep in mind that the airline industry is subject to a number of risks and uncertainties. These can include fluctuations in fuel prices, economic recessions, and natural disasters, which can all have a significant impact on the financial performance of the companies in the sector. In conclusion, the U.S. Global Jets ETF is a convenient and cost-effective way for investors to gain exposure to the global airline industry. With a diverse portfolio of holdings and a low expense ratio, it offers the potential for long-term growth with a reasonable level of risk. However, it is important to be aware of the risks and uncertainties that are inherent in the airline industry and to consider these as part of any investment decision.